You probably walked past those well-manicured patios or balconies and wondered, why does this place feel so alive? Here's the secret, it's the shrubs. But not just any shrubs, these container-grown beauties are silent showstoppers. Some bloom, some bear fruit, and others fill the air with fragrance. The twist? Not all of them are as innocent as they look. Some are toxic. Others are invasive. And a few, well, they'll only thrive if you know exactly what they want. Ready to discover best shrubs for containers? Let's begin. Andromeda. This one may look delicate with its soft pink flowers, but it's tough. Great for cooler zones, it adds a glossy green finish to any container garden. Anisodontia. Want something tall and wild-looking with non-stop pink blooms? This South African native thrives in containers, and it doesn't mind the heat. Aster. With a splash of purples, whites, and pinks, asters light up pots in late summer. They're low maintenance and long blooming. Spotted laurel. Nicknamed gold dust, this shrub sparkles with golden specks across its green leaves. It even produces bright red berries if it's happy. Azalea, a container classic. Huge vibrant blooms in spring, and some even rebloom. Just protected from harsh afternoon sun. Bougainvillea. It's wild, it's thorny, and it explodes in color. Keep it in full sun and it'll never disappoint. Just don't trust it with your bare hands. Brugmansia. Its trumpet-shaped flowers smell divine at night, but warning, every part is toxic. Look, admire, but don't touch. Butterfly bush. This one's a magnet for butterflies and color lovers. If you grow it in a pot, go for dwarf varieties and place it in full sun. Boxwood. Neat and tidy, boxwoods are your go-to for structure and symmetry. They'll last years with just a little shaping. Calamansi. Yes, this tiny citrus can live in a pot, and it even fruits. With regular sun and pruning, it's both decorative and delicious. Bottlebrush. Named for its bright red fuzzy blooms, it attracts hummingbirds like magic. Very low maintenance once established. Camellia. Regal and slow-growing, camellias bloom in winter or spring, and look stunning in large containers. Keep them shaded and moist. Rock rose. This Mediterranean shrub thrives on neglect. Drought-tolerant and tough, it blooms beautifully in full sun and poor soil. Lemon. Why buy lemons when you can grow your own in a pot? Give it warmth, space, and light, and it'll reward you in time. Cotton Easter. Trailing or upright, cotton Easters bring year-round interest with shiny leaves and red berries. Perfect for large pots. Daphne. Fragrant and lovely, but fussy. Keep the soil moist, give it shade, and it might just bless you with beautiful blooms. Silverberry. Tough as nails with silvery foliage that stands out. This one doesn't care if you forget to water it once in a while. Escallonia. Colorful blooms, glossy foliage, and surprisingly salt-tolerant. A good pick for balconies near the coast. Forsythia. It's the first sign of spring with bright yellow flowers that arrive before the leaves. Choose dwarf varieties for pots. Fuchsia. Known for their unique dual-toned blooms, fuchsias bring tropical flair and attract pollinators like crazy. Wintergreen. Low-growing and minty-scented, this shrub produces edible red berries and thrives in acidic soil. Gardenia. Not easy to please, but worth every effort. If you provide humidity, warmth, and acidic soil, it'll perfume your space. Gara, also called whirling butterflies, its delicate blooms dance in the wind. A favorite of bees and butterflies. Pomegranate. Fruit-bearing and ornamental. Keep it in the sun and enjoy the pop of red blooms followed by juicy fruits. Gooseberry. Low maintenance and container-friendly. These shrubs can even handle some neglect and still fruit. Hebe. Compact, colorful, and evergreen. Hebe flowers in summer and keeps its form year-round with minimal care. Hibiscus. Bold blooms and tropical vibes. Keep it sunny and warm. It'll bloom endlessly through the season. Hydrangea, a showpiece. Choose dwarf varieties for containers and enjoy big dramatic flowers in shifting hues. Holly, perfect for winter decor and year-round interest. Go for dwarf types and don't forget it has a sharp personality. Lantana, colorful and unstoppable. Thrives on neglect and blooms non-stop in warm climates. Bay laurel. Why not grow your own bay leaves? It's fragrant, evergreen, and a culinary delight in a container. Viburnum. Compact and fragrant, viburnum gives tiny flowers and seasonal color changes without much work. Lavender. Fragrant, pollinator-friendly, and utterly charming. Just don't overwater it, it prefers to stay dry. Lilac. With the right variety, you can enjoy sweet-scented lilacs in a pot. Go for bloomerang or dwarf Korean lilac. Magnolia. Slow-growing elegance. Dwarf varieties can thrive in large containers and reward you with enormous flowers. Crepe myrtle. For long summer blooms, nothing beats crepe myrtle. Dwarf types are ideal for small patios. Pittosporum. Glossy leaves and subtle flowers make it a versatile container shrub. Go for silver sheen or little gold for drama. Peony. Romantic and lush, peonies do surprisingly well in containers. Just give them some space and patience. Potentilla. Another easy one. Yellow flowers, hardy nature, and low fuss. Ideal for beginners. Rose. Classic beauty. Roses in pots? Yes, just choose compact varieties like Floribunda or Grandiflora and give them care. Flowering maple. Don't be fooled by the name. This one isn't a maple. But give it sunlight and it'll gift you with lantern-like blooms that hang like ornaments. Perfect for patios and balconies. So, which one caught your eye? If you're ready to turn your patio or balcony into a living masterpiece, these shrubs are your secret weapon. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and tap that bell. Your garden deserves to grow with the best tips on the planet.